Hey guys, it's Ari. Not from Ari Plans anymore since I changed my name to Ariel Plans on YouTube. Coming at you with a base plan with me for the week of February 15th through the 21st. And I'm using a kit from Be YOUtiful Planning. It's a printable kit. It's called Cherry Much Printable. Right now I'm just like going through everything. I'm showing you the full boxes. Let's see. The date covers, appointment labels, washi headers, ombre heart checklist. There's a weekend banner. Did I say this kit is called Cherry Much? I already forgot. Very cute deco, some like scripts and icons. A foldable box. I can't remember what those are called. Half boxes, more 3-heart checklists, and little things, and hydrate trackers. Let's see what else. And then like miscellaneous page, like habit trackers, weekly trackers, movie marquee laptops, some like functional deco, work labels, bill dues, flags. So tons and tons of stuff you get in this kit from YOUtiful Planning, and she makes really good printable kits. I'm also using these foiled headers overlays from Planning City. They're like a pink, I think they're pink hollow. They're hearts, and I've had them for a while. And then these gold things I'm using as headers it's just something I cut myself, and it's just gold vinyl from Cricut, and I cut those way back when I was using my Cricut. So I'm using these as the top portion of like the glitter header area, and I don't know, I can't decide if I like it. I love the foil overlays I'm using, but like I feel like the gold vinyl is just like too stark, too much. I kind of like I was gonna say I like the subtleness of glitter headers, even though glitter isn't subtle, but I don't know, maybe you understand what I'm saying. But I also sometimes feel like the foil header overlays don't look, or just like don't pop that much on glitter headers, so I decided to do this. So for the sidebar, I'm using this I think it's called a double box of this girl. It shows a blonde girl because I thought she was cute. And I love doing anything that like takes up more space in the sidebar, since I struggle with the sidebar so much. Half the time I leave it blank. I mean, I don't leave it blank. I like put stickers there, but I never like fill them out. I just feel like with like a habit tracker, it doesn't make that much sense for me to use, since I'm memory planning, and a habit tracker is more like present planning. So right now I'm trying to figure out where I want to put the full boxes, and it came with a lot. So we got like 8 in the page of full boxes, and then there was an extra page, do I have that here, with 2 more, like a full scene, like horizontal, and a full scene is maybe not a full scene vertical, but almost. There's just a lot of boxes. Oh, and the one I put in the sidebar. So yeah, I'm deciding where to put where. I love this kit. I know the art came out a while ago, but I never used it, and it has like everything I love. Like, love the pinks, love the cherries, cherry pie, the hibiscus. There's like a really cute Vespa I wanted to use, and it wasn't cut like, I mean, you see here I cut it so that I could use it kind of as like a full box or like a scene. Because I really wanted to put it in the middle. I don't know why. That's how I planned it. But And make sure I got that Vespa in there. And then, okay, so now I put down the full boxes, and I think I do the washi next, and there were a lot of options for washi, and I decided to not use the one with the bows, just to be a little different, since I feel like most weeks I usually use a bow bottom washi, I think. Now I'm looking back and I haven't used a bow bottom washi in like a month, but I really liked that scalloped heart one, and it was different, and I don't like when like every week looks exactly the same, sort of, so I decided to use that scalloped heart one, and then like the thicker, what is it, 15 millimeter piece with the cherries, because again, I love the art and the cherries in this kit. It actually looks really cute. I really like that. I wasn't sure about like the white space between the two, between the bottom washi, but it looks good. I think it's because you can't see any of like the dotted lines, which I was worried about. Again, okay, now I'm putting down the rest of the glitter headers, and I just decided to use the pinks because I think like last week was so heavy on reds that I wanted to do something different. And I've been like really struggling with cutting my glitter headers from my silhouette, and I'm not sure why. I keep trying different settings, but if you have any recommendations, please comment below, because I would like to like peel them off much easier. And that would also like mean I could do better plan with me's if I didn't have to spend so much time like messing with the cuts on my stickers. Okay, next I I do the sidebar off camera because I couldn't decide what I wanted. I also never end up putting the date covers on camera, which I do in the end, but you'll see in my next video. Yeah, so that's all I do for this week. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Comment below, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.